a balloon that wanted to fly to space. Nova was a bright red balloon tied to a popcorn stand at a noisy carnival. But while other balloons bobbed and danced, Nova gazed up at the big blue sky, dreaming of the sparkling stars. "I want to see them up close," Nova whispered. With a brave little wiggle and a mighty little jiggle, Nova slipped free from the string. "Goodbye, carnival," it called. Up, up, up it floated, like a tiny red rocket heading for an adventure. Soon, Nova drifted into a playground of puffy, white clouds. "Hello," giggled a fluffy cloud shaped like a sheep. "Where are you going in such a hurry?" "I'm going to space to meet the stars," said Nova bravely. The clouds huddled together. What a wonderful dream. They puffed. With a gentle whoosh, they blew Nova higher and higher. Higher still, Nova met a flock of birds, their wings like graceful dancers in the air. A balloon so high, they chirped in surprise. "Aren't you scared?" "A little," admitted Nova, "but I'm more curious. I want to see what's past the blue." The birds were so impressed by Nova's courage that they flew alongside, showing it the world spread out like a map below. The blue sky slowly turned to deep purple, and the sun said goodnight. A tiny light began to twinkle nearby. "Hello," it shimmered. "You've come a long way. I am Twinkle, the evening star." "Wow," whispered Nova. "You're even more beautiful up close." Twinkle giggled, a sound like tiny bells. "Come," it said. "There are so many friends I want you to meet." Twinkle introduced Nova to the Great Bear and the Little Dipper. They danced with swirling galaxies and played tag with sleepy comets. Nova had never felt so happy. Nova wasn't just a balloon from a carnival anymore. It was a space explorer, a friend to the stars, and a bobbing, happy speck of red in the vast, beautiful night. It had followed its dream and found its true home.